Welcome to the regular Faroese News Report. Here are today's top stories.
We'll cover U.S. pressure on Greenland, updates from the Faroes, and a story about big oil. Then some analysis.
All right, first up, let's look at the rapidly developing situation with Greenland.
U.S. pressure on Greenland has really escalated in just the last few weeks. It's been moving fast.
President Trump was very direct, saying if they can't do it the easy way, they'll do it the hard way.
Greenland's foreign minister, Vivian Motzfeldt, responded just as clearly. Our land is not for sale.
So now Greenlandic leaders want to talk directly with the U.S., without Denmark at the table.
Meanwhile, the Danish intelligence service is flatly denying any claims of interfering in Greenland's elections. This is even spilling into culture. A Danish record store actually boycotted the singer Björk over this.
Okay, let's shift focus now to some important domestic news from the Faroe Islands. The Tyrnavik Tunnel project is all planned out, but it's stalled. It's facing a major funding shortfall.
In local politics, a court order has put a stop to the scheduled re-election in Runavík.
Over at Vágar Airport, customs officials arrested a Danish citizen for smuggling 1.5 kilos of hashish.
And in a related business story, the Trump administration is pushing big oil to go back to Venezuela.
So that's the news. Now let's turn to some of the commentary and analysis that's come out.
A plan to establish a Muslim center in the Faroes has kicked off a debate, reaching parliament.
One opinion piece from Sjurdur Skale draws a comparison to Sweden, warning against Islamization. And linking back to Greenland, Magni RG writes that non-sovereign countries are the easiest targets.
So what is the strategy here? Well, one analysis tries to explain the thinking behind the American focus.
It's been called the Don-roe Doctrine, basically an aggressive reboot of a 200-year-old American policy.
And the tactics described are pretty unconventional, from economic pressure to espionage and diplomatic maneuvers.
Like and subscribe to PalsFundamentals for more content like this. Sources are linked below.